In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Google Business Profile link. This is a straightforward process that will take about 5 minutes, and I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to business.google.com. This is where you manage your Google Business Profile, which is crucial for maintaining your online presence and connecting with customers. Once you are on the site, you'll notice a sign in button located at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button. Now, if this is your first time logging in, you'll need to sign in using the Google account that's connected to your business. It's essential to use the right account to ensure you have access to the correct business profile. If you've signed in before, great news, you'll be directed straight to your Google Business dashboard where you can access all your business details. Alternatively, you can simply go to Google and type in the name of your business or even My Business. After hitting enter, peruse the search results to find your business name. Once you've located it, click on View Profile, which will take you back to your dashboard. Once your business profile is open, focus your attention on the right side of the screen. Here you'll see a map of your store's location. Right around this area you should find a Share icon. This icon typically resembles two arrows pointing in opposite directions, a common symbol for sharing options. Clicking on this Share icon opens a pop-up window. This window contains the link to your business profile, making it easily accessible. To copy this link to your clipboard, simply click on the Copy Link option. Once copied, you can utilize this link wherever you desire. Having the link to your Google Business Profile is incredibly useful. Now, you can paste this link anywhere you need to share it, be it in emails, on social media platforms, or even directly on your website. Sharing your profile link can help drive more traffic to your business information, potentially increasing your visibility and customer interactions. And there you have it. You've successfully copied your Google Business Profile link. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes managing your business's online presence even easier. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to revisit this guide for more clarity. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoy utilizing your Google Business Profile to its fullest potential.